This time, you'll need a fake spider to cast an amazing prank for your friend. Stick the spider somewhere in a convenient spot, such as on a table lamp where your victim would definitely use the lamp for their cozy evening. That's it. Now the spider should do its work. Quick, hide, Sophie. Someone's coming. What a lovely evening to sit down and read my book in a living room. Oh my God! It's a giant spider! I'm gonna die! Good job, Sophie. Christy seems nearly dead there. She got so scared that she even passed out. Alrighty, for my recipe, I need to add flour. Next, I need some eggs. Where are my eggs? Oh yes, I left them in the fridge. Who's this? It's Christy. For this prank, you'll need scissors and double tape. Stick the double tape on the table and put the flour bowl on it. Quick, Sophie is coming. Hey, Christy. Hi, Sophie. What you cooking there? Not much, just pancakes. Why is this bowl stuck onto the table? Come on, knock it off. Whoosh! Gotcha, Sophie. Oh boy, I'm covered in flour. I look like a ghost. Wow, someone left some fresh juice here. Perfect. This is delicious. Refreshing. Ah, nice. That's what I needed. Finally, I picked my favorite glass. Now I can have a taste of that fresh juice. What? The pack is empty. How? Not even a single drop of it. Well, I know what I can do to catch that thief. Take a cutting knife and cut the bottom of a packet just like that. Now, take a balloon and put it right into the top of a juice packet, just like this. Fill the balloon with water and close the lid to make juice packet look as normal as possible. All right, where is the juice-drinking thief? Oh, hi, Christy. You want to have some of my juice? Sure, you know I love juice. Oh boy, it's about to get wet. Oh God, what is this? Gotcha. Where's all this water come from? Ugh, look at me, I'm all wet. Why am I always ending up like this? Sophie seems all evening is trying to copy homework and answers from Christy. Sophie, are you copying from me again? No, I'm just looking around, you know? Maybe if I look in the right direction. You are copying, Sophie! I know. Fortunately, I have this spider in my back pocket. Put the spider on the left side of your notebook. Tie a thread onto the spider and stick the end of the thread with a tape just like this. Now, carefully close the notebook. I think I need to go for a quick run to the lavatory. Perfect, she's gone. Now I can have all my answers. Ah, God, it's a spider! I hate spiders so much! Ah! I think I'm going to. That's brilliant. Take that, Sophie. You'll know how not to copy now.
Having a cup of tea was always an innocent, friendly, and relaxing ritual. That's for me? Thank you, Sophie. You'll never know what will hit you. Oh, that's such a good tea. I really needed it. Oh, I forgot to take out the tea bag. Oh gosh, what is this? Sophie, did this come from your private parts? Oh gosh, I'm terribly sorry. I'd probably mistaken it for a bag of tea. Yuck! This is so sickening, Sophie. How can you do something like this to me? If you want to freak your friend out, take a tampon and add a tea bag label on the very end of the thread and serve it with a fruit or berry tea to give an even more realistic impression. Genuinely evil. There's nothing better than a peaceful, quick nap. But all the peaceful vibes can be disturbed by a friend who's on the watch on rocking your boat. At your next slumber party, pour some baby powder into your friend's hand. Find a flying fly tune and play it around your friend's ears. Do you hear that buzzing sound? Rise and shine, Sophie. Hey, is there a fly on your face? Boom! Perfect shot right in the face. That definitely looks very funny for us, but not for Sophie. She'll have to take a good shower after this. Well done, Emma. Well done. Same boring snacks in the house. I wish there were some good snacks around. No more worries, Sophie. Judy is such an amazing friend that she got you your very own cupcake for you. Ooh, I can't wait to taste the sweetness. What? This cupcake is made out of water? Look at that exploding cake. Water is all over the place. To prank a friend like this, add a balloon in a cupcake bowl and cover it with some frosting and sprinkles. Once it's cut into, it will go everywhere. Don't worry, Sophie. You'll get Judy back on this.
Some classes are so boring that you feel that you're about to drop dead sleeping on the desk. That's what is happening to Christy. I'll take just a little moment to relax. Quick, Sophie! This is a perfect opportunity for another great prank. Take a red pen and begin drawing cut wounds on your friend's arm. Put some white marker to have an additional layer of paint to make it look even more realistic. Then again fill it with red felt tip pen to finish up with your wound. When it's done, wake up your friend from her dreams. Oh God, what's happening? Where am I? Oh, I'm still in class. What's that? There's a wound on my hand! Sophie, what happened? Someone or something cut my arm. Oh no, Christy! I can't watch. Oh no, I have to run to the medical office. Christy totally lost it and ran away in panic. Nice work, Sophie. This is one of the ways to put your friend into panic.
How about some chocolate sponge cake? A bit different from the one your grandma used to make. Add some Nutella on a sponge and spread it all around. Drop some sprinkles to make it look more real. And here you go. Oh yeah, this is looking very delicious. How about we offer this cake to Emma? I bet she can't refuse this time. Hey Emma, look what I just made for you. That's for me? Oh, you're so sweet, Sophie. Are you sure you don't want some? No, you can have it. What? Ugh, yuck! I'm eating a sponge. Sophie, that is disgusting. What's wrong with you? Our next tip involves a bit of water and a little bit of acting. Oh, hey Judy. I see you're doing some cleaning. This dust makes me… Achoo! What's your problem, Sophie? Oh, oops, sorry. I must be catching a virus or something. Sorry. Oh, gross. It's all on me. Get out of here, Sophie. Yuck, she's so gross. It's such a shame we have to be at home and study for our class. Claudia, you don't mind if I take a sip of your Coke? Sure. Oh, this is so good with weather like today. Wow, that was refreshing. What? Don't you mind sparing some? Ugh. I need to somehow take my revenge. That's it, soy sauce. Perfect. Pour soy sauce into a Coke bottle to make it look like a Coke. An outstanding plan to trick your friend. Just act natural now. Hey Emma, you want some more Coke? Oh, sure. Yes, she's taking the bait. That won't end very well. Ugh! What is this? Yuck! This is definitely not a Coke. Yuck, Claudia! What did you put in there? How can you do this to me? Oh, isn't yoga supposed to be fun and relaxing? Now this benching and stretching is killing your back. Oh, I will never achieve ultimate flexibility and peace of mind that comes with it. What if I have a little bit of help? If only. Ah, there you go. I will just grab one leg and another. Woof, that wasn't so hard, was it? I'm proud of my achievements. Of course, without a little help from Sophie, it wouldn't be possible. Well, that's what best friends are for. For more pranks and jokes on your friends, subscribe to our channel, Wizard School, and keep yourself updated for the hottest tips and games on how to prank your friends, or even enemies. Have a blast, and see you on the next video.